Oh? River, I asked you not to open that.
Okay, Mama.
Hey, are you still eating? Open your mouth. No more.
Okay, Mama.
Go. Where are you going? Upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, come here. Bring me those candies. Come on. Right here. Thank you, Stinker. Come on.
Now, Mama.
Now, put some of the purple on this side. There.
Uh-oh.
Look, River. Blue. Red.
Wow. Purple.
Purple. Good job. We'll put purple up here.
Oh, Nina.
Yeah?
Hey.
Put it underneath. Right there. See? Icing. Oh, where do you want me to put it? Right there? Okay. The entire door? Okay. Look. There, River, look. It's like stained glass. Can I have those? Please? Want me to put icing on it? No, not your finger. Give me the candy. Boop. Ready? Is that pretty? Ta-da!
Mama.
Yes, baby. Ready?
Uh-oh, Mama.
What happened?
Daddy, go.
Did the candy fall? There you go.
Mama.
Mm-hmm. Is that good? Do you like it? What's your favorite part? Your belly? Do you want Daddy to see your house? Go, Daddy!
Daddy.
Come and see my house.
Help.
My gingerbread house.
Did you help? Where'd that go?
He's coming. Do you hear him?
Yeah.
Oh no, he's coming.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, Pepper. Are you still recording?
Yes.
Whoa.
So go behind.
What's that,
We went
Dad?
through a snowstorm.
Did snowstorm of sprinkles?
Yeah.
Look, Dad.
What's that?
Bubble.
Purple. Mm-hmm. See? There's the front door.
More sprinkles.
And here's the back door. Or maybe that's the front door.
Yeah.
Can't really tell anymore.
Yeah. Good job, River.
Most of it's in her belly.
Does it taste good? That's what's important, right?
Are we done?